I was so bored. There we go. Let's do this thing. Let's do this thing. I mean, now I wasn't able to trade Thursday and Friday. I see that I missed some really awesome moves, which has made me a little bit sad, but I guess it is what it is. Brutal Trader, good morning. How are we? I've missed you guys. Seriously. I really missed you guys.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
I mean, sure. That was 4 days without the charts. 4 days. I feel like I'm back to square one. It's weird. It's weird. I know that's a weird thing to say, but 4 days without the charts is just odd. Brutal Trader, how's it been going? How are the charts for you? How's everything been? Right? Sorry, there's like a fly buzzing around that's driving me absolutely mental. Okay. Let's go through this one step at a time. I feel all out of place because of the fact that obviously I missed the Thursday and Friday. I feel like I've missed a lot of information. Like, yeah. No Wi-Fi. How do you live? What do you mean, Eddie? It wasn't just no Wi-Fi. I had no power for 2 days. 2 days. Nearly a full freaking... No? Yeah, nearly a full 48 hours. It was just shy of 48 hours, which was, yeah, pretty insane, but made it. It was fine. I got bored, so I don't know if you guys can see. I did like dye my hair a little bit purple, just like an at-home dye. It's not like the best job. I was bored. I was bored, and then my phone died, and then I was really bored. I did read a book, so that was cool. So I did manage to get some reading done. But I made it. Nice community 52, just in case you didn't know. Thanks, Rob. How you doing? Hey, make money online. How's it going? In 2 days, how did you survive? Yeah. You look very active today. I look active today. I think that's a compliment. Thank you. Send you back to the Stone Age. I think... Did I? I don't think I did. No, I think... Oh, I actually had a bit of a red... Well, from the itty bitty bit of trading I was able to do, I had a little bit of a red week last week, if I'm not mistaken. Shoot, did I? I'm gonna have to actually double check that. Like I said, I've kind of hopped on here, just been slowly figuring out what's happening. There's a new weekly opening gap right here. Okay. If I'm not mistaken, this is at an all-time high, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is at an all-time high right now. Let's mark this out. Let's mark out all of our key points. Here's your low right there. Sorry guys, I'll then respond to you guys now. Just marking out, ooh. Friday's New York low is also technically these equal lows over here. Check relative equal lows. So this is quite juicy sell side liquidity over here. I call it equal lows, it's relative equal lows. You can see that there. High. Wow. Okay, sell side liquidity 4 days. Let's do this. Can I just call this a London low? Previous day low slash New York low. Ah, I missed so much. That. Okay. Is that everything? Oh, then I was there for that. Wow. This teased a lot of people. You can see that already. This was a previous day low. Okay. Sure. Okay, I think that's majority of the sell side liquidity. We are at all-time highs, so that's cool. That's cool. Can you explain why April is very difficult to trade? To be fair, April wasn't bad for me. April, I actually enjoyed April again. March for me was terrible, but April for a lot of people was not great to trade just because of all the politics. I think that's it. At the end of the day, it's just all the politics. Oh, Sully! Hi! How are you? It's Sully!
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
How's everybody doing? I didn't lose a single dollar in April. Did you trade in April? Okay. Well, that last thing I want to do is midnight. Whee! Okay. Midnight magnet. Let's do this thing. Yep. Okay, so what do we expect from this week? I know last week was FOMC, so I would be happy to see something a little bit more. Is it gonna happen though? Maybe not, but let's see. You're trading fantastically, thank you. Didn't make one either. I'm back next week, I better make room. I'm like a caged wild animal about to be released. Oh, we know what that means, Solly. That just means full port, right? Right, that just means full porting. I know exactly what that means. It means you and OTT are about to become unhinged next week. I'm glad that you're back though, Solly. I've missed you, bud. Let's do a top to bottom analysis quickly. Oh, okay. Yeah, all-time highs. Trend is friend until it's not. Trend is friend until it's not. I just have to keep reminding myself about that. Trend is friend until it's not. Okay. The auntie joke's about to go up to 11. Oh. You know what, Solly? I expect nothing less. Absolutely nothing less from you than to have all the auntie jokes thrown my way ASAP. Just saying. So, daily chart, I mean, again, just go with trend is friend. Just gonna have to keep on going. Check the 4 hour. How does the 4 hour look right now? A little bit of retest, but it consolidated. It has now broken nicely above. We're gonna maybe retest one more time back into this fair value gap. Potentially. What level's that? 753. Okay. 1 hour. Yeah, potentially here. I said 753, hey? Okay, close enough. $550 level. Should be decent. Gap over here. Let's check the 15-minute. Just broke above. Lost a bunch of our momentum here. Maybe go close the new weekly opening gap fully. And then we can start going back up. 5-minute. What's up, OTT? How's it going? Realistic to put the target by the end of 2026. What? I feel like that's a hectic target. Make money online, just saying. Depends though, how long have you been trading for? OTT, what's up? How's it going?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Okay. Back to the 1 minute. Let's see what we get. Another fluffer. There we go. Okay. 3 a.m. opening candle. Not bad. Not bad. Into that new weekly opening gap. Let's see if we're going to go and fill it now today. Theoretically, I think we should, but let's see what we get. Okay, tapped into VWAP. How's it looking on ES? ES is below VWAP. Selling house about weekend. Nothing saying, just impatiently waiting for market open. What's up, Debbie? How are you? How's everyone been, guys? Like I said, are we ready for today? I feel very weird for missing so many days. Just happy, everyone. Just happy. Let's do this. Have a look at SMT. Wait, oh, sorry, SMT. Oh, sorry, I haven't looked at SMT. I just put on TMP. Wrong one. We're going to break. Entry up to there. Ooh, back up to midnight. This could be interesting. Let's see if it reaches up there, Deb. If yes, it's a freaking good one. I was binging Madagascar movies. You know what? That's valid. That's valid. Which one is your favorite one, though? OTT. Also, how was Thursday and Friday, guys? People, please tell me. How was Thursday and Friday for you? No one told me. Were they whoop whoops? Are you happy? Are we sad? How was it? What happened? What did I miss? Like, I was sad at the fact that I missed it, but, you know. Nothing I could do. I know, Dom. How are you? How's it going? The third one, honestly, I just love the story, the songs. You like the songs? That is so cute. Friday was crazy, market open huge. Later, nothing really. Ah. Okay, Robert, but I mean, that's fine. Did you get any winning trades? I did. To be fair, I did kind of look at Friday New York Open and I was like, like it's like you said, it was a little bit underwhelming, if you will. Nope, I lied. Okay, so just shut up. If you didn't get in on that, you were then screwed. Interesting. Okay. I mean, it went bob to bob real freaking nicely, though. Interesting. Interesting. Let's see what comes from today. Must also keep checking here. No, sort of haven't seen butterfly in a half minute. trying to look at the market, I was touching grass. I'm trying to find a butterfly. I'm starting to believe they're extinct. Which butterfly? Oh, just any butterfly? Not coming. Like, imagine not liking Madagascar playlist. Entry under VWeb South Africa got its power back. What's up, Louis? So it wasn't just you saying it like it was all of South Africa. It was just unfortunately where I currently reside. Yeah. It is what it is. I wouldn't expected such a huge long. If we got much money on Fridays, we're happy. Otherwise, bro, they ain't real. OTT, I have photos of them if you want proof, right? Do you need some evidence? Sorry guys, give me a second. You guys are gonna see a blank space for a moment. Sorry. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. I'm still giving these a shot. I'm gonna try this one. I do believe though that this quick movement during London does not work as well. It's not, yeah. It's not as good as the New York session. Like I said, New York session on Wednesday. I have to remember when I was last year. New York session on Wednesday trading this was freaking awesome. Let's see what comes of it today though, because Wednesday, London was not good with this. New York though was insane. So let's see. I feel like Solly's being mean about something. What? I've missed Solly being mean. You're South African, knows the feeling. Liberia. Solly probably very accurate. Y'all are mean. Y'all are mean to me. Okay. Back down. Just tapped into there. Have a quick little look. No. No for that one as well. I was gonna say this one here could have been an option. Not the best option, but it's an option, but it's not the best option. Maybe not be messing around with not the best option, right? So Dom is saying shorts. They've not yet. We'll do today though. Kind of curious. And what update do you want me? Just looked at Kevin and Perry a lot and wasn't disappointed. Solly, I'm scared. I don't think I need it. I don't think I should look at that. As a kid, I'm starting to believe it was a 0. Oh, 6. Okay, OTT, maybe I need to ask this question. Where exactly are you going to go and look? Hope we get a nice short here. So Robert, you are thinking a short here as well. Why? If you don't mind me asking, I'm curious. Why are you thinking shorts? We did have a bit on the 1 minute. We've had a bit of a change of character here. See if we get another break of structure or not. I think we'll only get confirmation if we get a break of structure. Otherwise, this thing could be going all the way back up in the wild. Do they farm butterflies? I didn't believe I ran into a lion before I see a butterfly. Sure, we got manipulation to the upside and another all-time high. Now looks like a sweep to the upside. See, this is why when it comes to London Open, we have to sit and wait a little bit. See what we get. See if we get anything like fantastic. For your sake, I hope not. Oh, you know, really like one first and update to see the difference. Now it looks more like a retrace and not really another uptrend. I don't know, the buyers have kind of stepped up here. Oh, especially on ES. ES is now going. ES is pushing solidly. ES is a goodie. Let's see what we might be able to get here. So this might be a mistake. Let's see. It ran away from my previous entry. My previous entry was over here. You can see it didn't come and tag in. I've now made an entry just below here. So for anyone wondering, this is actually the 5 second. Where would this be? Oh my goodness. So this is how it would be looking on the 1 minute. Okay. We're just gonna have to keep a little eye out. Let's see if it does retrace back into there. This is just a demo though, guys, so just saying, this one's actually just demo. Back to the 5 second. This thing could just be running away again. I'm gonna leave it up for a little bit. Now and then I need to remind myself to, oh, nope, maybe this is where we start diving down. Trying to short is like bungee jumping with a shoelace tied to save you. Louis bought at 917. How are we looking on? Yeah. Oh my gosh, this mother fluffer is just running away. Literally just running away right now. About to tap into the the midnight magnet. See if we get a little bit of a retracement here. Still watching here for this entry. I think this could now start to just shoot back up. Ooh. That little wick was interesting. Like I said, let's see what we get here. The 5 second is very entertaining to trade. I am low-key bummed I wasn't able to trade the 5 second on Thursday and Friday. Holy moly. Okay, well, you guys know where that's placed. So let's see. That... right. Just right. Looks more like a retrace than really allow. Take a trade must have been in burst. Yes, yeah, I need to go back to my... Hey, gold or Bitcoin? Neither. This is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? We might... Existing is true. You are so rude, OTT. Alexander, how are we doing? Thursday and Friday spawned monster trades. I know, and I wasn't even here. Was that the Maya effect taking place again? If that is true, that's rude. My Steam ain't that scary. No button. Why I say it likes. That's why we shouldn't sleep at 3 AM. Bitcoin or Alex is now in the future. We need to bust the boy who harnessed the wind for more power shortages. You know they're crazy when they drink with a spoon in their mug. You know, I didn't even clock. Still in it. That's not gonna drive me crazy. Thanks, Jagriz. Wow. Thanks. Wow. Anyways. Thanks for calling me out. Appreciate it. You know what was rude? The area where you currently reside not having electricity. What's up, David? How you doing? Alex, it's the 1 minute time frame. Thanks, OTT. You're welcome. Love the smile. I appreciate it. I have removed the spoon because I got judged hardcore. 966, here we come. Ah, mother bluffer. Still just ran away. Literally. Went, okay, bye! And ran away. Theoretically, you know what? Move it back up to here. Yes, theoretically this is indeed chasing. Oh, let me not do something dumb. Yeah, okay, like I said, something dumb. This one could retrace solidly, but it was order filled. See what we get. These little spikes up here are not the bestest. I feel like 10 points. Oh, maybe I lied. On the 5 second, I just need to figure out where is a good time to call it. Like at midpoint, do I just move to break even? I would have been taking out break even if I had done that. Just saying. Maybe 75% is a good point to then be like, okay, cool. This is where we're gonna give it a little call. There we go. Nope. As I said, there we go. It went like... Okay. A little bit of resistance going on over there. Not quite at 75% when it takes out that wick. You best believe I'm going to break even. There we go. Cap break even for this one. Let's see if we get taken out of break even or not. Hey, winner chicken dinner. There we go. Okay. Good little win there. Good little rejection off of my shelf level. Okay, so 1 down for the 5 second. It didn't come and retrace any of the other areas, but not bad, not bad. Let's see, I'm gonna come back. We don't really have any shelves being formed yet, but let me have a look see. Back we go now. Let's check how it looks on Left 1 Dead. I would not have taken this trade, just by the way, but I see that actually it would have gone back down quite nicely. But no, I wouldn't have taken that trade. That would have been a little bit more of a... I don't like to say the G word, the gamble word, but the only valid trade would be around here, which is redonkulous. Has to retrace quite far. Is this just going bob to bob? It low-key is. Okay. We appear to be going bob to bob level. That's fun, that's fun. Tuesday's gonna be sick for sells. Louis, why do you say that? She's headed for a new high. Okay, I wait for confirmation and I take a long or short trade. So Alex, are you waiting for confirmation to see if it's going up or down? Is that what you're saying? How's this look on the 5-minute? Little retracey trace. 15. Yeah, the 15 basically just came tapped back into the new weekly opening gap. Oh, big rejection off of the bob. 50% level over there. I think this mother fluffer is going all the way back up to, what's this? 970. 970 is a pretty decent level where this thing could be headed back up to. Which is insane. Again, with the amount of sell side liquidity that's just underneath, you would expect to start seeing a little bit of sells, but again, all-time highs are scary. And trend is friend until it's not. So trend is friend until it's not, that's all we do. Riff, I'm gonna call you Riff if that's okay. What prop firm am I using right now? And this is a funded account or eval. This is a funded account. I'm currently using Top 1 futures. Do you know what Loki makes me really, really angry? Oh, it's fine, it doesn't matter. No point in dwelling on it. I mean, I trade on gold right now and I saw a little bit drop and I think it's support, but I'm waiting for liquidity and confirmation. Ooh, okay. What's up, H? How you doing? Yeah. 323. No! 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 Oh my gosh, I'm so upset. I just realized what today's date is. I just realized what today's date is. It's May the 4th. Like, May the 4th be with you. It's basically Star Wars Day. I should be dressed up like a Star Wars person, but I didn't even clock. This is how I feel now. Yeah, I never. Oh well. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Maybe I'll be able. No, I don't think I'll be able to flipping. I'm sad. It's actually my best friend's birthday today. Please tell him that the Force is with him. Please, please. Does he know that it's on Star Wars Day? Please say that he does and that he takes it seriously. But I got scared, sorry. We'll wait while I change. I don't have any Star Wars things. Which is also sad. I have a cape. I can put a cape on and make it look cool. I wonder how long it will take. I won about it the other week. I didn't even clock. Being a real nerd, I'm rocking my lightsaber. Look at the pattern. Tuesday last week, that's when the higher low was created. I think this Tuesday will be another higher low. She does. She's a Star Wars nerd. I love it. OTT, there we go. That is so cool. Well, tell her happy birthday, and if you want to piss her off, just do this, but, you know. Okay, nothing. Okay, we're kind of going sideways. Let's see what this looks like on a 5-second. Any opportunities here on the 5-second? No, not really. we actually might start to see it dropping a little bit now. Definitely some resistance going on. But this did come, I mean, this is a huge wick that just happened here. Star Wars is really that good, huh? I'm sorry, have you not watched it? Let me go Google Princess Leia. You kind of look like Leia, wear a white robe. I don't have a white robe. Like I said, I can pretend to be a Sith and just wear a cloak. People might be confused as hell. But no, it's good. Give me a second. I got a cloak. I can even keep this on. I can keep this on that. Where is it? Here it is. Where are you? That's not it. This is it. That doesn't quite work as well. Okay. Okay. Oh, it doesn't work though. It's not the same. I don't feel like it's the same. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. It doesn't really have the same effect. This is giving off more like Harry Potter, Gryffindor vibes. What if I put the hood up? Wait. If I put the hood up without killing myself, there we go. Sith Lord. Wait, do I actually look like a bit of a Sith Lord here? Does this work at all? A bit vampirish. Damn it! Damn, that's not what I was going for. If I try and take a trade, I'm gonna be like, what's happening? I knew I was definitely not the goal. Ah. I look like Palpatine. I mean, that's fine, I guess. Does it work for May the 4th? I suck my blood without hesitation. Okay, don't worry, got something that works. This will be fully automated. Paint some red and black stripes on your face. You weird. Your goals. Aw, thanks, Neil. I'm just here going like, it's May the 4th. Oh, I'm about to break my cape. Don't ask why I have a cape. That's a... Sorry, I just thought now. I was like, wait a second. When is Comic-Con this year? We're doing this. Y'all can judge me all you want. We are Sith Lording it. I don't know if it works with the glasses though. Maya, do your best Darth Vader voice. I need like a... Perry, I am your father. Did you guys hear that? Did I nail it? Darth Vader, woo! I'm a sniper. I'm supposed to be a Star Wars Sith Lord. I don't have... Anyways. To be fair, OTT, I'm also a Harry Potter Harry Potter nerd, so yeah, it is what it is. Oh, what's up, jump? No, not for you guys. Be judgy or whatever. That's fine. Rude. I missed the shelf. See if we get another shelf that forms here. Sorry, I'm looking at the 5 seconds again. We're just sticking with this. If anyone asks, maybe the new rule, you know, like with Fight Club. First rule about Fight Club is don't talk about Fight Club. Maybe that's just gonna be the new rule with these streams. First rule about Teach My Trading, just don't talk about it. Just be quiet. Oh no, I missed it. Oh, I missed it! So I might be able to get one more. Shoot. Literally, that would have tapped in and gone down. Oh, order filled. Let's see, it did just take out a bunch of sell side though. Let's see, I don't have the highest hopes for this trade. This is going against trend as well. I'm taking every trade. That's what you do. You take every trade possible so that you can get the best stats to see if it works or not. Oh dear. Yay. Wait, so 75% I moved to break even. Let's watch what this thing does here. We're gonna keep dropping on down. We'll retrace back up to here and back down. Would also be cool. See, not quite at 75%. Do you see why I say during London, maybe a 10-point trade is not great? If it was like a 5-point, I don't know, maybe that's pushing it a little bit, like 5 points during London and 10 points during New York is fine. 10 points New York because of the volatility is not a problem. Starting to mess around a little bit here. Quite know how I feel about that. Struggling to break below. I'm gonna go hands off. I think on another day I actually would have called it here at 100 points. $100. Or at least gone break even. I'm staying hands off for now because I do want to test. Definitely it went 5 points down. It retraced the 5 points quite nice. I mean, you can see pretty solid rejection off of that level. Yeah. Okay, this thing is retested enough times for me to pretty confidently say if it breaks above here, it's going back up. So let's leave that there. Let's see what happens. The 5 seconds can be quite fun to trade, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna grab a quick 2k, then crash out because New York is gonna be good. You think so, Louis? What makes you think that New York is gonna be good? Let's see. Ooh, normally when it starts to take long like this. Stay hands off, stay hands off. See, it keeps retesting there. Might take me out. I was just thinking, nah. Yeah, broke above here. Yeah. Okay. And I did say when it broke here, it's gonna go up. Hey, there we go. There we go. You see, during London, 5 points might be better. New York, 10 points is perfect. But this is why I'm also forward testing slightly. Thought that would have hit the full stop over there. But I did mitigate risk, so I'm still in the green. So that's cool, that's cool, that's cool. Let's go back and see what's happening on the 1 minute only funded. Okay, so a nice retracement back with the funded. Oopsies, sorry, now I'm used to clicking control to move around. Nice retest. Okay, I see we low-key just sitting on the midnight magnet. Hey, Coach Carter, what's up? Oh, one. Hey, Golden, how's it going? I never watched any apparent upon it either. There's actually loads he hasn't watched. Time to go back up. Just patience. Play with the last kingdom. For the Empire. Hey, don't forget to subscribe because the UK is in a bank holiday. It is? Ah, I did not know that. That's cool. Thanks. See? There's a bank holiday going on. Well, it'll be good because it's the day before PMI and that's always good. Institutions not looking for setups for PMI release. Hey, Coach Carter, how are we doing? How's it going? How's everybody doing? I forgot that today is May the 4th. And you know, May the 4th be with you. It's Star Wars Day, and I forgot, and I'm sad. I feel like, what can we do for Star Wars Day? Yeah. 37. Oh, Mother Fluff is now going back down. I'm saying that because it does mean on the 5 second that this thing has probably moved down pretty decently. Mayday bank holiday. Hey, sorry, I love that they call it Mayday. Mayday, Mayday! Yeah, the UK, Japan, and China are all in a holiday. Oh, that's cool. Okay. I was not aware. Thanks, guys. It should. Today should be a Star Wars holiday. Just saying. I am also now genuinely curious about when. Let me quickly Google when Comic-Con is in SA. Give me a second. Comic-Con. Comic-Con! Sorry guys, I am a solid nerd. When is it? 2026. Ooh, 24th of September to 27th of September. Heck yeah. When is it? Yep. September time. Heck yeah, I wasn't able to go last year. Did you hear about the press ghost? It was going through some stuff. That's terrible. Hey Wanda, what's up? Or have me under stress. US has no holiday. Oh, this is now kind of going sideways. Bit of a bummer. Oh well. A little bit of sideways is meh. Here we go. Ah, I see we're starting to push again. Nice. Here's a push. Here's a push. Yeah, no, Louis, I'm not doing that. Good grief. Princess Leia in the gold bikini. I know. Everyone is obsessed with that scene. You're having like a rain down there in Cape Town. Nice! Coach Carter here. It's actually sunny. It was a very sunny weekend. ironically, on Thursday and Friday, when I had no power at all. No, shoot. Anyways, Thursday and Friday when I had no power at all, it was cold and raining, so I was just bored, not knowing what to do with myself under the covers. Ugh. Oh well. Nothing you can do about it. It's gotta carry on, carrying on. Okay, let's see what happens there. I am messing around a little bit in chop. I think even on the 5 second. Like when it comes to chop, I must take it off at midpoint. Just a thought. Okay, so let's see, order filled here. I mean, check it how much it has to move now, and it's not getting that movement. Watch, I say it's not getting that movement, it's gonna come and take me out instantly. Ah, sorry. Talking to myself. There we go. Talking about this. Debbie, honestly. So on the 5 seconds, it's very entertaining to see how and where and why. Okay, we might get a rejection off of there, but I would like to see it come and take this out first before it does any of that. Again, I'm very well aware that I'm kind of messing around in a bit of chop right now. As who? Real bars are waiting for the right kind of wood to burn. No ways, Louis. Oh, sounds like So that tapped into there. This is where I thought a little bit of a rejection would happen, which Loki has. Oh, I think this is going to be a loss. Oh, I'm just getting in at the wrong moments. Hey, do you know what I'm doing? It's in the chop. Took out the external. It's going to head for the internal now. Yeah, I won't be surprised by this. It's gonna... Oh? Oh? What the heck? What just happened? Okay, let's wait and see where this ends up going. This is gonna be fun. No, minus 5 seconds. Yeah. Alright, which time frame do you trade? Doesn't it make you uncomfortable seeing market moving that fast? It's hard for me. Wonder, this is literally actually the 5 second chart. And I'm not gonna lie, on Wednesday, because I wasn't here Thursday and Friday. On Wednesday, when I traded the 5 second during New York, I started New York in the red by $300. I think I ended in the green with $780 just from that New York. If I'm not mistaken, I took like 7 trades and 6 were winners and 1 was a break even. I could be lying, but something like that. Those head tails are a bit weird though. Okay, it did pass the 50%. Have to reject off of this level. I'm actually gonna go break even with this one. Let's go break even just because we are in a little bit of chop. Rather quicker break even than not. Cool. Okay. There's another little win. I'm gonna be quick with this one. This one is cheeky. This one's cheeky. Let's see what we get. How's it looking on the funded? Hey, we're finally breaking above. Heck yes. Amazing. Let's do this. Alrighty. I need the What's up, Hammer? How are we doing? So it broke above. I mean, look at that flipping wick. That, oh, good grief. Sorry, going from one to the other. Ooh, SMT created. Okay. Big SMT now just created here. Let's see what happens. Hammer, how's it going? It's stop. Hammer time. Ayo, ayo, ayo. 966, blah, blah, blah. Just get up there already. Oh my gosh, is that Louis? That's literally what you've been waiting for the whole time. It's going, just really, really slowly. Really, really, really slowly. Bonjour, what's up, Jean-Pierre? How's it going? No, shoot. I just heard order filled. Uh-oh. I did say this one was cheeky. But... oh no. Let's see, we're gonna ride it out. Let's see what happens. Almost Batman jacket. Yeah, I just want to take my 2K and crash. I get it, Louis. I get it. Who wouldn't want to take 2K and crash? I'd like to start to see a little bit more of a push, obviously, happening soon. But is that gonna happen? Are we looking for the time, actually? Ah, guys, it's not even 10. We've only been doing this for like 50 minutes. Still plenty of time. Okay. It goes up to here. Gonna have to watch and see what it does there. Oh, apparently we're not even going there. Okay. Well then, my bad. Down we go. Looks like the sellers are back in play here. Alright, that's enough of bullying Maya for tonight. I don't know what you're talking about. You guys never get enough of bullying me, liar. Ooh. Oh no. I think it's gonna go down to here. Yeah. Okay. So, how many trades is that? 4 trades. Cool. Didn't even go up as high as I wanted to think it go up. That was rude. Like I said, it is in a little bit of a chop. That one was a win. Still in the green, so that's cool. Let's go back to the funded. Let's see what we get. That's what we got. I see it's just rejecting after it wicked back up. Oh my gosh, we are stuck. We are stuck. We are just stuck at the midnight magnet right now. That's fun. Literally just stuck at the midnight magnet. Nasdaq. I place sell on mine. We'll hold it for some time. Oh damn. Okay, so Wanda's in a sell. Louis in a buy. Who else is in a trade, by the way? This thing could spike up to take out 966. Oh my gosh, this thing is just messing around actually. See if it comes down far enough to take this. Potentially when it takes out the 50% of this range, it could just spike back up. Let's see, it's a little bit risque for me. Hey Maya, who am I hiding from? Hey Nedson, I'm hiding from no one. I forgot that today is May the 4th. Like, May the 4th be with you. And I'm very disappointed in myself because I wanted to dress up Star Wars theme. And I completely forgot. I literally completely forgot about it. So I have this cape thing and I thought, you know, let me just be a Sith Lord. So this is what we're going for now. We're doing Star Wars, May the 4th be with you, and apparently just Sith Lording it. Chop Zone, don't do it. Yeah, Rolf, I agree. Aw, that's awesome, Wanda. Exactly, Madsen. I am very much a nerd, so yeah. Okay, so SMT created, ooh, dropping now, especially on ES. Let's see, this could want to tap back into ES, into VWAP on ES, and then we might see it bouncing back up, or this is just gonna start crashing down. How was everyone's weekend, by the way? Was it good? Was it amazing? Was it meh? Yeah, how was the weekend for everyone? Anyone that's new that's hopping in is just like, what the heck is this person doing wearing this? Which is, you know, understandable. I do look weird as heck. Okay. Still going down. Okay, I would like to see it go further down on ES still. Don't know about you guys, if you guys agree with that. My weekend was filled with rain and gaming. Nice. Don't blame me for not dressing up. No electricity. If you hung up. Like I said, Eddie, I was just like, seriously. Like I said, I did finish a book, so that was cool. Was good? You were fishing? Nice! Madsen weekend was meh for you. Why? And Wanda, studying for you, and now you're writing. That's cool. Another little trade taken here. Let's see what happens. Water filled. See if it drops further down. Like I said, I would like to see it dropping further down on ES. Hopefully it drives it down. So it's the ES 1 minute chart. There we go. So it is still dropping. Not quite at 70. There we go. 75%. This is now break even. Let's see if it jumps back up or not. Okay, definitely a break-even trade for this one. Ooh, close. Close, but not yet. Oh, let's see if this is just gonna screw me or not. Another potential entry for a short would have been down here. On up, so little shorty shorts on the 5 second. Never mind. What? Cool. Cool. I mean, it is the risk with the 5 second, right? I mean, it's still in this thing. Let's see if we do get a rejection that's strong enough to the sell side. Close. Very, very close. Putting it there again. I think if it breaks above here, it's going to go back up. So let's leave it like that for now. It could also theoretically take this and then drop down. But either way, this is a no risk trade. There we go. No risk trade. Still at 145. Nothing gained, nothing really lost either. So that's cool. That's cool. Would have liked to see a bit more rejection there. Just keep note here. Let's see how it reacts. Oh, it did get close to TP on this one. Shoot. Oh well. Just gonna keep an eye on that. Let's go back to the funded. Let's see what's happening. Oh, that's what it is. Tapped into VWAP on ES. That is what I was waiting for. I was waiting for that tap down onto that VWAP. Oh, you'll be here. We'll see you then. Oh, cheers, Wanda. Enjoy. Just some Kiwi lad. What's up? 5 second shot is crazy. Yeah, I can online work game. Halloween special. What's up, Toby? No, May the 4th. So, not Halloween. Star Wars. Star Wars. Just I was very underprepared for it. What's your strategy for trading the 5 second chart? It's actually stupidly simple. I just don't want to tell you, but it's been working. So, I trade. So I've told you guys about my shelves. Yeah, have I told you about my shelves? Yeah, Toby. Gotta nerd out properly here. Mother fluffer. I am saying mother fluffer because watch, I suspect that now. Oh! Shoot. So if I hadn't have gone break even, this definitely would have been a win. Yeah. If I hadn't have gone break even, this would have been a win, so it just came retested and then dropped back down. I did say that potentially wanted to come and retest this level. You can see that's exactly what it did here. That's okay. Now we do this. Stick with it for now. It's clearly the sellers are here for a bit, and on the 5 second, that's what you do. You stick with whatever's trending right now. I'm gonna leave that there. Wait until I hear order filled, and then I'll come back and see what's happening. Let's go back to the funded. Look, whoa. Whoa. Awesome. That would have been an instant loss if I'd used that range. I'm back up. That didn't pull the 50% either. Wow. It just sat on that midnight magnet for so long, and now we're getting that drop down. We need more Comic Cons in South Africa. I know. I saw now that the Comic Con is in September this year. Best believe I'm gonna be there because I'm a nerd and I'm so keen on that. Oh wait, what time is it? Aha. The dreaded 4 AM candle. That is what just happened. Okay, theoretically though, this should want to be going back up. Let's see. Maybe I don't. If you use Palpatine makeup, you could use the caption Palpatine funding the Empire, Toby! You know what? Oh.
Nice.
That was good. What do I like to nerd about? Oh my gosh, so many things. Hammer, what a question. The market could... What's up, hamstring Sally? Market conditions are... No, they're not great. Do you blame them though? It's been wild recently. It's been wild. So what do I like to nerd about? So like I said, Harry Potter, yes. Star Wars, not as into it as Harry Potter, but still enjoy it. D&D, yes. Gaming, yes. I haven't been able to game recently, which is a bit unfortunate. Again, the Harry Potter side, like I was playing Hogwarts Legacy, it's so much fun. Fable is also really good. What other things do I like to nerd about? Like I said, I've done some mini figurine painting as well. Yeah, pretty nerdy, I guess. Look at the volume candle, just huge biggest volume candle. Fires coming in. Dropping like a rock in water. Coach Carter. I just like to say that it's going to the center of the earth, right? Because when it starts taking off, everyone says it's going to the moon. So for me, when it starts dropping, that's it going to the center of the earth. Oh, hey, Gumar. I feel like I butchered that. Good morning from Portugal. What's up? Okay, we're in my zone to take a short. There we go. So Dom is not happy to take shorty shorts. I'm gonna watch and see. Again, none of these are great for my A+ setup. Oh, this thing has just run away then from my 5-second. Has it? Not yet. This could potentially come back up one more time. Let's see. Hands off for now. Let's see what we get. Okay. Give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back. Watch, I'm gonna swoosh my cape as I go. I'm gonna make it look all Sith Lordy. I don't know if I'm gonna nail it or not. Oh my gosh, this thing is dropping solidly. Wait, I can't go. Okay, sorry, Perry's asking me to open. I'll be back. Okay. TP1 whoop whoop. Watch what happens when it gets in the bottom level. My entry under VMAP. Let's see. Yeah, this thing is just motoring now. Wow. Okay, this thing is now dropping. TP slap 2k done. Time to crash. Aw, cheers, Louis, but I'll see you later. Enjoy. Bye. Hope it's a goodie. Well done. Oh, wait. For anyone that got in on this, seriously, well done. Whoop whoop. Done for the day. Did 50% on the full margin. No ways, Hammer. I can't believe that full margin is still going. That's... Yeah, these conditions are not great for me, but this is why we're also looking at the 5 second, right? And see what else we get. Sure. This could be a bit of a bounce, but I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna go with it. Let's see how it reacts here. I'm gonna take this one away. Okay, this could be the rejection back up, in which case this might be a loss, but let's see what we get. Peace all you South Africans out there. Cheers, Louis. Time for the turn. You had a nice summon in here with the gap and took it with a small stop and it just kept going. Hammer, that is awesome. A buy incoming on Nasdaq. Yeah, like I said, this one is a little bit more risque, but we're going with it. Better one actually would be up there, but either way we might get a bit of a rejection. Actually, theoretically, here is better. Let's see if it reaches there or not. Don't want to be catching a falling knife, but on the 5 second you can start to mess around a little bit more. I mean, we are still in the green. That's cool. That's cool. Now we go for it. NQ is just retracing to an area value of interest. That's nice. Where do you get 5 second candles? So this is Ninja Trader. Sorry, this is Ninja Trader. So yeah, this is the 5 seconds. I can then also just quickly check out how it looks on the 1 minute chart. So here's the 1 minute. Like I said, here a little bit of a rejection wouldn't be terrible. Could retrace further up. Let's see what happens here. Hello. And then I can also check what's happening with ES. Doing a sweetie. Uh-oh, here we go. ES is now starting to climb. Just tapped into there. Perry gets a sweetie because he's awesome. Just them rules. I don't make the rules. Okay, so didn't quite reach that level. Like I said, the only problem with London is theoretically during London, I almost want to trade 5 points, not 10. New York is fine with 10 points because you have the volume. But I feel like 5 points is pushing it a little bit. Okay, let's go back here. Shoot. Okay. Took out liquidity, but a higher low will just created. And see what happens. What am I doing? Doing that. And that. Damn, London was really nice today. I had 2 longs, both hit TP. Damn, maybe I should come back to London. I mean, OTT. Maybe if it's starting to work. Why are they mosquitoes? If it's starting to work for you again, why not? Okay, because I'm not going to pay on any of you just for that now. See them back into VWAP on NQ. Still no A+ for me. Bit of a bummer, guys. That's why the 5 seconds are quite fun. There's a lot. That would mean I would have to wake up. I mean, you're here anyways. Do I ever code my own tools for trading? No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I'm really bad with that. I'm bad with that. Trust. Trust. Bad, bad. Bad, bad. Okay, rejection off of there. Hey, live sound! I love the cloak, snap in, which sucks, but thought I'd show my face. Seems like nothing in the first hour, which is good for me. But that's different. I'm in bed, relaxing, not needing to wake up, turn on my PC, sit down and trade such crap. Coach, where do I ink my VWAP? I just have it, yeah. Session anchor. So I hope you can see that. There we go. I used the session anchor. That's about it. I made my own trading journal. Calculators and all sorts. Ooh, and I'm assuming good, right? Coding is fun though, especially making your own tools and not needing to pay for something because you made it. Okay, again, should I remind you guys that not so long ago I didn't even know that Control C copies and Control V pastes. Shall I remind you? Just say one thing at a time. She'll do I know my profit factor on the 5 second. Typical auntie behavior. You know what?
Emotional damage.
Hey, Mikuwave, what's up? So, Mikuwave, it is because of the fact that I forgot that today is May the 4th. It's Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you. I feel like I also have to, like, maybe not binge watch all of the Star Wars. I don't have enough time in my life to do that, but maybe at least watch one or two of them. It's Star Wars Day. Mario, I believe this, but if you press Control Z equals end, I knew that one. Well, I now know that one. I'm not gonna say I knew that one. I now know that one. Trading, learning, coding, make indicators, tools is a whole new language again. You can agree it's useful, but that's a task. Okay, lifetime. Yeah, 100%. Can I learn one new skill at a time, please? When I'm waiting for trades, I don't really need two streaks. I don't use any tools. Like indicators, I have a clean shot always. Hammer, that's very interesting. That is super interesting. Sounds like a very interesting way of trading. Yo, what's up, Live Life? I'm trading a funded account. I was decoding my ultimate strategy. More than 300 trades in 2 years, sure. Okay, so... Still nothing. This is making me want to give this chart the middle finger. What's up? Well, welcome, Live Life. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the community. How are you doing? Are you doing great? You doing amazing? You're doing meh. I'm hoping you're not doing meh. We don't want meh here. We want happiness. Happiness and support. Stop that. And maybe some crying when it just isn't showing you any clean setups for your strategy. Shoot. Decoding my own stuff actually builds profitable trading bot, but I'll be honest, it's a long, tedious task. You'd probably be interested in that. For me, so I can scan multiple assets at the same time. It's Monday. Don't you give up. What's up, Sir Ryan? How's it going? Big W, catch 10 points on a year short. Nice. You say you are a profitable trader? Not yet. Not yet. So now, no, but yeah, I'm definitely not profitable yet. Not ashamed to admit that. I've been trading for just over a year now. Like literally just over a year now. Whoop whoop. To anyone that is in the green for today, super, super proud. If you've just hopped on and you're wondering why I'm doing this, it's because I'm weird. I don't normally dress like this. Sorry, it's just because it's May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. Yeah, May the 4th be with you. I'm so sorry. I am solidly a nerd and I forgot about it and I realized too late and all I have is my little cape. So we're doing this. Anyways. To mark my trade and my TP, but that's it. And after trades, I clean the chart for the next day. I don't mind to have any attachment to yesterday. Every day is a new day. Oh, I like that hammer. Okay. Whip your lightsaber out.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Okay. I am the fourth be with you. I thought most of your outfit would dress up. What do you go outside looking like? I mean, I do. Trust, I get weird looks. It is hilarious. You know, I'm one of those people that will literally go out dressed up crazy purely for the fact to watch other people's faces be like, what the heck? They literally shocked. So shocked. Like, Halloween, last year I had the fake blood on me. I went out afterwards. I went to the shops with all this fake blood. Do you know the weird faces people were pulling at me? It was hilarious. It was actually freaking brilliant. Yeah, I have really good giggles when that happens. And you know what? Sometimes it can make someone's day to watch this weirdo walking around dressed up. Sometimes it makes people's day. Other people, I don't know, maybe they get mad at it, but I just think it's funny. Got it with that one. Very much love. I wasn't until she saw the emojis. I know, because I was genuinely like, oh, I actually don't have a lightsaber. And then I was like, never mind. I mean, I don't have the, whatever. Stop talking. Let's just stop. We're gonna stop talking about that real fast. Come on, give us something good. Anything good. I think even the freaking 5 second looks like trash right now. Yeah, well, it's not great. There would have been a bit of a rejection. Yeah, even the 5 second looks meh. So this is doing that push, run away, consolidate. Push, run away, consolidate. Awesome. Probably would have done it. Good grief. Is anyone in a position right now? Is anyone in a trade? How's it looking? While we're waiting, let me go get my butterfly. While we're waiting, let me go get my butterfly book. Who's gonna pick the page number today for butterfly of the day? Has to be someone new. I'm in the fetal position on my bed. Reject you a few times. Let's see it drop down now. I don't know if it keeps retesting that level all the time, Dom. Do you not think it might want to break above? Our hammer does not have that many pages. Nice try. I need that to hit before we do anything else meaningful. Okay, live sound? Okay, give me 2 seconds. Let me go get my book. I'm not gonna lie, I feel really cool walking around and the cloak just kind of flowing behind me. I feel really, really cool. But anyways.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
What's up? 2 trades and both on negatives. Still holding though. Okay, Madsen, not bad, not bad. Page 4. Gaby, I think the butterflies only start from... There we go. So, from page 36 to page 4 and 3. That's the options. From page 36 to page 413. Okay, go on live sound. You pick. Live sound. There's red. I would ask Granny. What? A werewolf. To be fair, I could turn it inside out and it could be red. Just saying. Butterfly time! Let's have a quick look. Oh my gosh, wait, did I miss? I feel like I missed, Nope, this is about to hit though. So I had this set up for a long time. And it could break above and instantly be a loss, or this has the rejection I wanted to see. I mean, that wick is not bad. I want to see a proper rejection off of it though, but there's a few shelves there. Yeah. Did reject, just not as much as I wanted to see it reject. Oh, it's going up, and away. Good grief. Still gonna be going a bit sideways here. Let's see, after this one we'll do butterfly of the day, so. 2 more. No. Part of me wants to move this to below here. Let's see, it's having a bit of a tricky time breaking above. How's the weather in Hogwarts? Oh, you guys are funny. I hope you know that. Okay, come on, go down. If we break above there, we're gonna start going up, so let's mitigate risk slightly. That little bit of rejection, could be chopping around a little bit here. See what we get. This one currently, guys, is actually the 5-second chart. I am aware that not a lot of people trade the 5-second chart, but here we are. Said the strategy doesn't work as well during London. New York session works like a freaking bomb.com. A little bit of a chop zone here. Nah, this is gonna take me up, but I did mitigate risk still a little bit. Works like a bomb.com. Have you never heard me say that before? Pretty sure I've said that before. I've said that often. Quick, okay, yeah. Ah, damn, little bit in the red. Let's see. I mean, we still have time. I was gonna say, let's see what New York brings, but I remember on Wednesday, because obviously I wasn't able to trade Thursday and Friday, but on Wednesday I was down. Yeah, I told you when it breaks here, it's gonna go up. Sorry. I was down 300 and something dollars, and then after New York, I was up 780. Okay, sorry. Let's go back to the funded. We are whip thawing today. Okay, who picked what? Sorry guys, I got focused there for a second. Okay. Let's go. So 284 live sound. Addition to your 5-second chart. Apparently we're not hitting Asia low before my stop loss though. Oh, no. Okay, 284. Let's do tightest blue. Called the tightest blue. Give me a second. Let's do this thing. Tightest blue. This thing is now going back up. This is not fun price action today during London. Well, for me, at least. I know for some people it probably is amazing. Tires blue butterfly. No. TITES. It's a tightest blue. Whoa, this is not it, but that is cool as heck. Okay, this is not the butterfly at all, but that's hilarious. Can you guys see the name of this butterfly, by the way? It's called a fluffy tit. I could be doing the same ones. 5-second shot will chop you. Oh my gosh. Do a moth. Look at its tails. Yeah, this is, again, this was not the butterfly. The butterfly actually looks like this. This is the butterfly. So not quite the one I was going for. Maybe I should try do its Latin name. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna try and do its Latin name. This is cute though. This is cute though. It looks a little bit more like this. This is more the butterfly of the day. But this thing is cool as heck. And it's tiny. Look at it. Not the butterfly we were going for, but I low-key love him. He's super cool. I'm gonna try the Latin name. I might break Google's brain. Okay, there we go. So this is actually butterfly of the day. This right here is actually the butterfly of the day. Okay, he looks like this. He's blue. And on the outside, he has some funky spots. Here we go. So I got a live one. This is actually the butterfly of the day. I mean, to be fair, that other one was super cool. Cheers, Hammer! Okay, so wingspan of 30 to 36 millimeters, so he's small. Finding more rounded large portion to falling. Okay. So they congregate on hilltops and ridges. Flight random lower down the slopes, seen less often. So these guys are actually quite rare, so that also makes sense. Distribution is Western Cape, in Fynbos, on low hills in Malmesbury? No idea. And the Porcelenberg? Also on hills in, oh my gosh, can you tell all of these are areas I've never gone before? Van Reinensdorp area. Okay, so habitat is mountains, hilltops, and hillsides. Flight period is single brooded September to November. That is our little butterfly of the day. Now we're done. Now, hopefully that stays. I balanced that not so well. Okie dokie. Back to the charts. Let's see. Let's see if I'm gonna get an A+. Wait, this might not. This might not. How's it look on the 5-minute? Struggles to break and pushed up. It's just struggling to go to the downside. Really, really struggling to go down. Sorry, still watching. What did I miss? Last round. What's up, Lucky? How are you doing, by the way? 125 point stops. I traded the 5-minute orbit, the London Open, got my 20 points and got out $400. Nice! Well done! What's wrong with mods? Nothing's wrong with mods. The author of the book is Stephen. Is it Stephen? Yeah. Steve Woodhull. Steve Woodhull is the author of this book. Coach Carter. Pretty sharp, but keep it up. Hey, that kid, what's up? How are we doing? Anyone that's just hopped on?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Are we all doing amazing? Yeah, we happy chappies today. 4:36. Okay. Would have missed tagging me in, by the way. By a point. Which is very, very rude. Not even something nice on the 5-second right now. Entry 0.5, TP Bob level down. Oh, Dom, you still want... While I did approve of that, I just brushed over it. I laughed on the inside, don't worry. Good night, I'm just gonna go. Today, hope I catch some. I guess theoretically that is now just butterfly of the day. The damn... I can't believe... No, it's the butterfly name. We're not being weird. It's called the fluffy tit butterfly. I'm not gonna Google that. Volume looks like it's favoring selling more than buying. Madsen, you think so? Even on gold. I'm not sure where the market's going, so I'm not trying to overtrade. That's valid. Quite a... Nearly killed myself. This is quite an interesting market right now. So all we can do is just keep on keeping on. All-time highs are very entertaining. That's all I can say. All-time highs are very interesting. Is everyone then kind of hands off now, not wanting to take a trade? Live life? Why not? What? What you saying? Why not about live life? Oh, why not wait for New York session? Oh, live life. So I trade both London and New York session. So I will be back for New York session, don't worry. So Dom is waiting to short at the 0.5 level. I mean, these wicks were pretty impressive. Yeah, these wicks were very impressive over here. Oh, we just gotta keep on keeping on. I'd be happy to take it along if it drops a little lower, but I still think we could go lower. Lifesound, do you think this is just going to... I don't know, is it just retracing? Asia low is all the way down there. It could be. Where's the 50% of this full range right now? So there it just tapped into the 50% of this full larger range. Did now officially have a bit more of a... Oh no, we're going back into this chaos. Okay. 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 So I wanted to see, I see we had a little bit of a change of character, and now we've had a bit of a break of structure, so the lows could definitely still be in play. But we currently are edge low, still closer on MES, but this could be 50% retracement on the 5-minute. I would want to take a long from 50% of the 5-minute range from 9:15. I'm now just hands off, sitting and waiting. Wait, who's then? It's a bank holiday today, right? Who's on holiday then today? Lifesound, are you on holiday today? OTT, yeah, apparently it's a UK bank holiday today. Which does, you know, explain a little bit of stuff. Does explain why it's a little bit like this, so it's fine. I guess then understandable. Just frustrating. But then I've also just had to give up my job because I have 4 crushed discs in my back. Wait, what? Live sound, are you serious? What happened? What? What happened? When did this what is happening? Live sound? Did I watch TJ Oz Bootcamp? I did not live life. I'm assuming you did? Yes? No? Maybe? Live sound, I'm so sorry, man. What the heck? Is it gonna add some pressure onto your trading? UK bank holiday won't affect Nasdaq, it'll be BP biz. You really don't think it'll affect it at all? OTT, like it won't be slower today? Or anything? Asking for a friend, obviously. Obviously. Ba-ba-bam. Nope. Ah, okay, well then. Well, fine then. It's fine. Whatever. Whatever. Let's... Let's keep this going. Right? So, Dom is waiting for entry at 0.5 for a short. Just gonna keep watching this. If I'm not mistaken, I think the 5 seconds actually just look like, yeah, lack of a better word, a little bit of garbage right now. For fun, I can do that. Let's see. Yeah, the joys of body for 20 years. I was in Thursday and Friday for 24 hours. I can walk from my right leg. Yeah, my doctor scan data turns out. Live sound? Yeah, Flip, I'm sorry. That's... Sure. That's really, really intense. You should have trading, right? Or is that gonna put a little bit of pressure on your trading now? Have you added a little bit of pressure to yourself? You're gonna just keep on going with the flow, rather? How many trades have I taken so far? On the 5 second, I've taken a few. On this, none. Thank heavens, all of them would have been losses. Yeah, any trade I would have taken today with this current market would have been a loss. Let's see though, I was looking at this potential buy, I don't know why. But if I was looking at a buy here, I would have been in, it would have been green, but we've just lost all of our volume now. So, live life here, early gap when it breaks, take a short. I don't think you can get metal discs. Doesn't that defeat the purpose of the disc? I'm gonna Google that. Receive metal spinal disc through an artificial disc replacement surgery, typically made from surgical materials such as titanium and cobalt, after combined with specialized plastic. Oh, sorry, I'm reading here because you intrigued me. You intrigued me. So you can receive a metal spinal disc through an artificial disc replacement surgery, often combined with specialized plastic designed to replace the damaged spinal disc and maintain motion. Shouldn't it have some give to it though? But I'm assuming that's the problem with it. Lumbar, lower back, or neck, spine, offering motion for to spinal fusion. Our materials include titanium, composition, many artificial. The surgeon removes the damaged disc and inserts the device through an incision, usually from the front. That freaks me out. Anyways, artificial discs are designed to be durable enough to withstand years of movement. However, this procedure is not suitable for everyone. It requires a consultation, blah, 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 blah. Okay, cool. I feel like metal discs sound bad, but I guess if they do what they gotta do, who cares? Certainly makes it interesting. We've got cash to survive, but that's kind of mean it needs to make money, which I'm trying to not affect the psych of it. True. Still saying I could potentially still save it all with physio, but I'm a boulder and kitchen fit is so heavy work. Yeah, life sound, that is the thing. Unfortunately, you do have a very physically straining occupation. Do I only trade do I trade Nasdaq only, or do I trade other currencies too? Wonder only Nasdaq. Ichomu, why would you want to learn something new if you're doing well? What are metal discs and what do they do? They just help replace the broken discs, basically. They reduce your movement if you have them replaced with metal or some other material. They do some synthetic discs and have fighters who've had them and it works. You might want to see it as a downhill after carry medical cards saying it's metal in this body for metal detectors and scanners. So guys, can I tell you about, sorry, that what you said there, Debbie, reminded me of what happened to me. Not the last time I flew, the previous time I flew. I was so offended. I was so offended. I don't know if you guys remember, it was a while ago. I don't know if some of you were here yet or not. It was my friend's baby shower. So it was a while ago. She's already had the child and. But anyways. So I flew to and back. They patted me down because they were like, And even back, they checked me again. And I was just like, is there something I'm giving off that is saying I look suspicious when I'm in the airport line? Like, what is it about me that's making you guys be like, no, this one needs a check? Anyways, I was a little bit offended, but it is what it is. Sir, can you please remove your head so we can check to make sure that it's a non-explosive in your deck? We Nasdaq buddies. Right. Oh, cheers, Wanda. Enjoy. Good luck for the test. I like your answer, but you're not making this much easier for me. Would have been lucky with regards to what? Oh, like, okay. Whiff. So you have, here we go, you have discs in your spine, right? There we go. You have discs between your spine. And they're supposed to like be absorption. Supposed to help you absorb things and movement and if one is damaged, obviously, problem. So that's basically what we're talking about. We're talking about then artificial discs being placed and they're metal, which I thought was weird. Like metal doesn't sound right because you would assume it's supposed to be for taking that impact. But then again, I don't know much about this, so yeah. So that's what we're talking about. Sorry, I know, very random. Wow. We are literally going sideways now. Chat got you put on the list. Were you wearing one of those outfits to make people look lifestyle? I wasn't. I was dressed like a normal person. It was 2 separate days. Even I think I flew down on the Friday and then I flew back on the Sunday. So like it was 2 different days. And these, yeah. They were like, sorry, we're gonna have to double check. And I was like, okay. And then the one going back was worse. They were like, okay, let's do a pat down. Okay, can you please remove your shoes even? I was like, oh my gosh, okay, fine. What's up, Wall Street Center? How we doing? Is there anything like a bone-ish material that they can put instead of metal? So it shouldn't actually be bone. It's more like cartilage, if I'm not mistaken. Are discs made of cartilage? A tough, fibrous outer ring and a soft, jelly-like inner core. Okay. So the outer ring consists of collagen fibers, while the inner core is mostly water, collagen, and proteoglycans, working together to act as a shock absorber and provide flexibility to the spine. But obviously I think there's a lot of pressure on it. Yeah. But on the flip side, I get to spend more time with you. Beautiful art, putting more into trading and all. Oh, heck yeah, life sound. Positive side, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, because it is true right there. So I just got an order filled. I didn't even know when did I place an order? Okay, well, apparently order filled. Or a sell, that's not great. Well, anyways, I don't even remember placing this one, but here we go. Yeah, here we go. Let's see if this gets a rejection. I don't think it's going to reject that far down. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it will reject that far down. Oh! Yeah, we got to like 50%. Let's move that. Midpoint. Come on, let's go 75%. That was close to 75%, not quite. Go on down, let's go. I forgot I placed this. That is how slow the market's going. That was a big jump. Ah, sugar honey iced tea. Should have taken it there. See, go down again, go down again, down. Go, just go down. Just go down again. Hello. Oh, I shouldn't have been greedy. I was thinking that maybe I should take it. See, like I said, I did mitigate risk by half. Okay. This goes into the green again. I'm gonna close in profit. If. Now this thing is gonna take me out. shoot. I mean, I'm still in this somehow. Somehow being the keyword right now. I guess somehow is because this is going oh so slowly. That was too late for that. Go back down, I wasn't ready. Okay. Closed it early because this is risky. Watch it go down now. This will go past this point. Let's see if it now goes properly down. But I closed it in the green, so that's cool. Trying to learn to take the wins, not be greedy naturally. Mother fluffer. It's gonna go all the way down now. Oh well. Hey Madsen, I was in a short. I was in a short on that one. Let's see, now we're going to go back to the 1 minute. I was completely suspicious and makes you look even more suspicious. Right. What everything looks like in your point of view. Lucky rude. Space from the nerves. Nerves being crushed. Oh, Debbie, that makes sense. I once tried to approach someone to give directions to an ATM. His response was, "Sorry, I don't have money." Coach Carter? That's
Emotional damage.
yo. That's rough. And the no professional okay, again, depends on the other fee consultation. It's supposed to be Robin Hood, but the is actually robbing the hood. So I'm a little bit slow with these responses. You guys are so bad. That's guaranteed. Maybe mine is actually the one that sold the internet cable. Nah, I don't have that, like, enough skill for that. Guys, I can't even scare people. Oh, did I short because of the liquidity sweep? No, Stuart, I was just on the 5-second shot and I have little key levels that I look for. Sonny's a similar show, something Monty loves are fun. Here's the stuff I found out about it. Yeah, guys, I get literally I can't even give people, like, you know, jump scares because I'll hide around a corner and then I start to giggle because I don't know, I'm a child. So yeah, I won't be able to do anything bad. I can't even jump scare people. Okay, here's the 5 a.m. candle. Finally getting some movement. Wow. Just wow. Oh, what time frames do you use for bias? Like daily, 1 hour, 5 minutes. So Stuart, I actually, before I do anything, I do a top to bottom analysis. So I check out the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15 minute, and the 5 minute, and then I trade on the 1 minute. So I guess yeah, I use my daily for and 1 hour for my bias. I mean, I use the 5-second shot. What strategy? Live life. It's very stupidly basic. A whiff. 501. Wow, that was a very underwhelming 1 hour candle. This was the new opening 1 hour candle. Didn't get much from it. at all. So we still got an hour to go. Let's see. Damn, Mondays are slow. Mondays be real freaking slow. Good grief. Excuse me, I already behind a curtain.
Nice.
I get it, I get it. It's fine, be like that, be like that. That's fine, that's fine. Rude. Keep on doing this thing. Okay, still nothing. Still nothing. I can't believe this naturally would have been a freaking banger trade. Oh well. It's fine. I'll sulk about it later. Wow. Yeah. So I know I've asked this a few times. Is anyone actually in a trade right now? Is Dom, are you in a short right now? Is Dom still here? Who's in something? I don't even know. Rejecting off a VWAP on NQ. Hasn't tapped into VWAP. So it's above VWAP on NQ and below VWAP on ES. So we might see it pop a little bit further back up. Maybe it wants to just tap into VWAP on ES before we get lower. I mean, that's a possibility, right? Would still be in this if I took that, but I don't know if I would have. Absolutely not. The sticker sounds. Can you stop? Snickers sound good right now. Wow. Just wow. Just wow. And then, oh, okay, wait, here we go. Starting to get that little bit more movement on ES now. I'm currently shorting your USD, but at a bad level. Oh no. Okay, lucky. Hey NBA, how much do you make in a day? NBA, it depends on the day. Something too awesome. Okay, tapped into VWAP. Let's see if we get this rejection. Let's see if it rejects down here or not. I think if it breaks above VWAP on ES, this is gonna go back up again. For a third time. Yeah, but she's even wearing the curtain right now. Y'all are mean. Wow. Gonna hide away from you guys. Let's see. Let's see. Still wanting more of a rejection. It's very slow volume. Real slow volume right now. Let's check the 5-second chart. Don't see anything super decent. Okay, so nothing here. Nothing that I like here, rather. Let's say that. Shoot, that would have been good. Oh well. Nothing that I like on the 5-second. Even the 5 seconds just not moving. Look at this. 5 second during New York is fun though, guys. Yeah. 5 second New York is fun. I'm excited for New York. I think New York is gonna be tons of fun. What's up, Trade Addict? How's it going? Lucky by you know, I love you the way you are. I know you guys do. You guys are awesome sauce. I'm just weird. You guys should be used to that by now. Just saying. Like I said, we're doing it's the 4th of May. So may the 4th be with you. I'm aware how lame that is, but we're sticking with it. Now, before you go, please remind us of the butterfly of the day. Lucky. Which one? The actual butterfly of the day or the butterfly of the day that we low-key found while trying to find the actual butterfly of the day? Hey, is that? No, not a cleric. May the 4th. Star Wars Day. I just completely forgot that today was May the 4th. So, I don't have a proper outfit for May the 4th. Which is sad. Like, may the 4th be with you. May the Force be with you. Star Wars. Nerding out over here. Just me? It can't just be me. Let's Google this. Star Wars Day. Yeah! Look at this. Look! Look, 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 look. Proof. Oh, start Matt. Type that like a dumbass. There we go. Star Wars Day. Did someone ask if Star Wars Day was a holiday? That's hilarious. Monday, 4th of May, 2026. May the 4th be with you. Even a freaking picture. That's... There we go. Oh, that is cool. Okay. May the 4th be with you. Booyah! So I'm just gonna pretend like I'm a Dark Lord Sith. Because I did not plan this properly. / forgot that today was May the 4th. When we low-key found this actually the butterfly of the day. Lucky the... It's a bank holiday as well today in England. Wait. So who's off then today? Who's chilling at home today? That's why the charts probably aren't moving great. So OTT says apparently it shouldn't affect Nasdaq. He said that that would more affect other things, but shouldn't really be affecting Nasdaq. They stole that whole May the 4th be with you from like... Huh, interesting. Someone used the power of the Force to drop Nasdaq price down. Yo, I would still be in this thing. Interesting. Very interesting. David, I did not get that. I thought you were being genuine. It won't affect New York session, but it will London because no one is working today. I'm trading wearing my pajamas today. That's cool. I'm at home today and every day after. Me till Wednesday, then back to work. Ooh! Damn, Madsen, you're gonna have a nice chill. Well, what are you gonna do? Just chill? What do you do in your off time? Like I said, guys, I didn't have, what, Thursday and Friday to trade. I didn't know what to do with myself. Lucky's just chilling. yeah, that's pretty. Give me a second. Paul, not part of a cult. It's May the 4th. I didn't plan my life. Okay. This price action's making me sad. I'm literally shit. Might need to go get a battery pack for future. True. I'm America. I'm able to do the same. It's an aging thing, apparently. Madsen, just don't like people. So, you know, avoid that. That being said, tomorrow night gotta go and deal with people. Hey Jade, what are you feeling for May the 4th? Last week was Bullsong. Guys, what's a Star Wars thing? What's a Star Wars snack? ChatGPT is thinking. TIE fighter crackers, cheese and crackers. What? Lightsaber pretzels? Pretzels dipped in colored chocolate? And Wookiee cookies? Sorry, that was funny. I literally googled like Star Wars snacks. Mapani worms. Shush. Alright, look at Rogue. Oh no, Jade, are you serious? Burger King has a Star Wars promo. Mapani worms is definitely a Star Wars snack. You guys are terrible. I guess, could you pretend these look like lightsabers? Like little dipped pretzels? Maybe? That might be, I have no idea. I mean, that looks more Christmassy. Sorry, you guys can't see what I'm talking about. I'm looking at this. That looks more Christmassy. Could you say that looks like lightsabers? I have no idea. Ah, sorry. Sorry, Monsters Inc. Or whatever. I have no idea. More like a wand. Ah. So not so much that. That's sort of a tricky one. What would be... What would be like Star Wars themed food? The Wookiee cookie thing was hilarious. That made me laugh. Hey Tachi, what's up? How are we doing? I love Burger King. Burger King's really good. More like ones. Like it's going to be called Trading Made Easy now. I don't name them, Jada. Just tell them what I wanted to do. Let's do this. What's wrong? Oh, my head thing's falling off. That's what's wrong. I was like, what is happening right now? This is happening. I look like a chop. Give me a second. I'm falling apart. I'm falling apart. This is... That's irritating. Okay. There we go. I was very confused about what was happening. There we go. That's better. You need a cool code name like Free Agent, Father Time, or 518. Still nothing. How's it looking on the 5 second? Also, still not really anything. Guys, when the 5 second chart starts going sideways, then you know that this thing is not moving. I'm sure it's giving Dracula vibes with you. For Attack of the Scones! That one was good. Attack of the Scones. Mikuave. That one was good. That deserves this.
Nice.
Hi. However, I'm good. I'm having a good giggle. That was too funny. Sorry guys. Like I said, I didn't plan. I should have planned this better. I'm upset. Maybe after this, maybe I can plan something better for the New York session. What would be... Let's see. Might be able to do something like that. Okay. Maybe not quite like this 5 second chart as well. There's just a bunch of dojis at the minute. Yeah, Lifetime, it's a bit rough right now. I thought you were meant to be a Big Bang Theory watcher. I am. I forgot about Attack of the Scones. To be fair, I was thinking about how they made like the cake, the Death Star cake, and I was like, ah, that would have been amazing. I haven't seen you in a long time, really. Well, to be fair, I wasn't here Thursday and Friday. Because, yeah. There's this option. Something like this. I might be able to make something like that. I don't think I have anything like that. Hmm. Yeah. What I'm getting is just a lot of brown and whites. I might be able to make, well, put something together. It might not look very good, but I might be able to put something together quickly for New York session. Like I said, it might not look very good, but I will try my best. So we're doing the dark side. We have cookies. Here's the dark side for London because this is sad, and then we'll do, yeah. We'll see if we can get something good. I'm gonna make the time name it's easy now. So it's actually meant to be TMP is actually easy now too. I should do my whole room before New York. I think you can redecorate it for a Star Wars theme before New York. Just put Perry on your seat for the chat. So he can be a Wookiee.
Nice.
Perry will hate me if I made him do that. What do you think? I don't think he'll be very impressed if I did that. Just put anyone seen you didn't what a damn trading made easy. Cool, but agent easy trading. There's too many words. Guys. This is rough. This price action is rough. You know, an expansion mine was a big short on GJ last week. Yeah, there's no action. Nope. Madsen, you're in a NAS buy right now? So making a name, if we can easily remember the name, but yeah, any ideas, let me know. Okay, whoa. Madsen, you're in a buy. Where's TP at for the buy? Also, let me double check here again. Guys, look at this. Even the 5 second is just shocking. I wonder if everything's just done until New York. Well, that being said, watch, there might be something good that appears just now, but you potentially could have too late. Potentially could have done a bit of a buy here. Nope, that would not have worked out. But this is just, it's coiling. That's a little bit what it looks like. It's just coiling a little bit more to the bull side. But I mean, the 5 second does not look good. Check, so this is the 1 minute, obviously. This is just going sideways. And ES, yeah. ES was a little bit of a bigger push, but now it's also just going sideways. 5 second looks diabolical. You logging off? Just so I know to put a trade on. Rude. OTT, what the up? OTT, you've missed so much. So much. OTT Dracula, but she's still here. Listen. Listen. I said I'm going to attempt to make... Would I be able to? I might be able to make something. It might not look very good, but I'll try my best. I'll try my best. With what I have around the house, I'll try and make make something. It's not going to be Leia in a gold bikini. Just before anyone gets excited, I'm not doing that. Okay? Just before, because I know. I know you guys. No. Okay. No. Just no. Holding it with long-term expectation. Okay, that's fair. That's fair, Madsen. And TP at or not? Also, did you just say Java? For me to dress up like Java. We have the first Maya effect before New York. You guys are so mean.
Emotional damage.
Being mean about the Maya effect. It's not my fault. I mean, apparently, you tell the guys, Maya. I mean, how was Thursday and Friday? Was it good price action? Was it really, really good price action? And naturally, I wasn't here. I mean, it makes sense that it also would have been good because of FOMC. I can't believe I missed it. I'm so bummed about that. I'm so bummed about it. Interesting. Okay. $5.28. Nope. Well, let's see. Let's see. Let's give this what, like 15 more minutes. Maybe we're gonna get out of this consolidation phase and it's gonna be fine. Ironically, so yeah, ironically, this trade here is also agonizingly slowly working out. Definitely would have probably gone to break even now though, but interesting. And to be fair, this was the only, I guess it was an A+ setup. I just didn't like this wick over here. This was the only A+ setup that has presented itself. So let's see if it would. I'm gonna make a little mark here at the 1.1 level. See if it would have hit TP. Would have gotten close to taking me up, but not quite. No TP at the moment, but set stop loss. Okay. Thursday wasn't trash for me, but I glanced at PA. Friday was meh. If I took a trade, I was gonna be break even. The white dress now with a bedsheet. The white dress layer. Okay, wait a second. I have to go check that out. Ooh. Okay. Mikuabe took a loss on Friday. Yes, it was good. It was like my effect for 2 days solid with no breaks. It was good, not including my effect. Nice. Lifesound just tagged you on Discord. Let me see. Interesting. I mean, I'm thinking, what do I have? I might be able to do that. Yeah, that's true. Valid. Okay. 532. Da, 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 da. What do you have, seriously? You have bed sheet in the mud hut. Rude. Anyways, just rude. Just oh so rude. Okay, 532. Still waiting. Still waiting. During the week it was posted out. Joy of Travel is now a member, or well, a member. Joy of Travel, give me 2 seconds, because then you know what that means, right? Do you know what it means? Do you even know what you've just done? Like, do you just know? Do you know what you've just done? Oh, I'm excited. Sorry, it's not gonna be stuck in my head. So I'm just adding. Hell no, you don't know? You now have access to the memes. Yeah? So, like the emotional damage meme. Let me see if I added you. Yeah. Do exclamation mark damage. You heard loss of metal. It keeps stealing your tires and cables. Again, not happy with her. And oh. I need to add that one. Okay. Adding you to all of these things quickly. It's a pain in the butt. You can't just select all of them and edit. Damn. And whoop. Can also do whoop whoop now. And the Y. Okay. Done. Saved. Sorted. Oh no, that'll be real bad. Yep. Is there a cheat sheet for the members? Unfortunately not, but I mean, I can send it. Want me to send it, Joy? And send all of them and irritate you. I mean, there's the whoop whoop. We all know the whoop whoop, right? So whoop whoop. Exclamation mark whoop. For all the wins, all the support, everyone gets a whoop whoop. Maybe and he doesn't want to. Live sound, you are so funny. Oh my gosh. You are too funny. There's she said.
That's what she said.
Which we all know is a goodie. Coffin. Sorry, we're now just going through them for fun. So, guys, this price action's fun. What in the Sith Lord Harry Potter Red Riding Hood only has cosplay over your arm today? Ninja, you were correct with the first one. Sith Lord, because may the 4th be with you. Yep. This is out of my people. This is not native. Wow. I find this broadcast very calming. Are you a doctor? Am I a doctor? I'm definitely not a doctor. Good grief. What type of doctor would I be? Oh, Mother Fluffer. So this would have hit TP. Sorry, that's what that oh Mother Fluffer was for. Damn. Oh well. It's okay. Oh, wait. The 5 second now has some movement. We know what this means. Maybe we can place one more. Basically break even. Okay. Got a little buy limit over there. Let's see, maybe this is a mistake, but set it. Let's see if it retraces back down that far. See if we get a little 5 second trade. But tomorrow is return of the... Let's see if buyers will be trapped. Oh my gosh. Ninja, that was good. I'm impressed with that one. I'm very, very happy with that. I'll try. I thought, you know, London can be sit, and then, well, I say that. I actually forgot that today was May the 4th. And then I like hopped on, I was chatting, and I was like, today is May the 4th. After the move? Oh, I didn't have a move, Ninja. There was no move. There was no move. The only reason there was, like, I wasn't here last week, Thursday and Friday, was because the power cables were stolen. So the whole area was off for like nearly 48 hours. If I'm not mistaken. So the power went out at just before 2 a.m. on Thursday morning. Yeah, it was just before 2 a.m. on Thursday morning. And then it came back on at 10 p.m. Yeah, around 10 p.m. Friday night. So that was fun. That was lots of fun. Let's see if this tags into it. This is going to be very slow. Maybe this is a bit of a meh one to be taking right now, but let's see. Oh snap. Is it in vibe? Yeah. It was bad. But it's fine. It is what it is. We move on. How's it looking here? Still going oh so slowly. See nothing that looks great for me. I think New York is gonna end up being the one where we end up getting a trade, hopefully. Hopefully. Don't force a trade, you know, it's day trader, not every day trader. I've gotten some trades in on the 5 seconds, so that's kind of gotten some of the I must take a trade out of me, so that's cool. I wonder if this is even gonna tag in. Okay, let's go back. Let's focus on the 1 minute for now. I'll hear when it, or if it tags me in. If it tags me in being the keyword there. Whew, okay, well. Guess just well. Well. Oh, order filled. Okay, it got me. It got to open it. Got me in? Let's see if this is a win or a lose. Might be the last trade for London. Like I said, this does and does not work so well during London. I have some mixed emotions about about the 5 second during London. I mean, I am like break even, so I've had, yeah. Eddie, I love you madly. I will see you then for New York. We're gonna have fun. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna confuse a lot of people. It's gonna be amazing. Discord. You're trading the 5 seconds. Ah, Ninja, did you miss that? Yeah. Well, I've been. So this is just a demo. Okay, so this is just a demo. This is not. I'm not on a prop yet or anything. I'm just kind of testing something. It hasn't been bad. When I tested this last week, Wednesday, like I said, London was not good. If I'm not mistaken, I was actually in the red 300 and something dollars. And then after the New York session on Wednesday, I was up $780. Right, so that's not bad. I'm currently chopping up a big pile of peri-peri chicken. Updates to TMP. So let's see if we end this in the red or if we're gonna be good to go. Uh-oh. Looks like we're going down. Wait, did it tag into something? Wait a second. Okay, see here? No, not really. Ah, I guess. Kind of tagged into that order block. Oh, why did I do that? I can just check on the 1 minute here. Yeah, I kind of tagged into that little bit of an order block over there. Bit of a rejection, won't be surprised. Let's see if this goes back up or not. Yeah. Guess it'll make you your own 5 second time frame. Ninja, have you ever tried trading the 5 seconds? It'd be quite fun. It's exhausting the first few times you do it because of how quick, well, not right now. The 5 seconds are moving as slow as the 1 minute currently, but when I trade the 5 seconds during New York, damn, it's quite fun. And this is NQ, not MNQ, by the way. So this is the 5 seconds on NQ, not MNQ. Let's see what we get. Oh, this has gone further down than I actually would like to have seen it go, but like I said, it's the last one. 6. Win or lose, it doesn't matter. Oh, it's heading for a loss though, but still. Let's do this. Oh, stop filled. Okay, that was quick. Okay, so now we're a little bit in the red. Let's see then. That's a little bit rude. But okay then. Okay, now I was gonna say, you better go back down. New York is then gonna be fun. On what, Lucky? Gotta be a little bit more specific. Like with the 5 second? I watched enough ants walk through the grass as a kid. I hate outside. So yeah, Lucky, gotta be a bit more specific. So here with my my usual 1 minute strat. It's a 1 to 2 hour strategy. With the 5 second that I'm playing around with, it's actually just a 1 to 1 hour. But I mean, sorry, Lucky, what I meant is with regards to which strategy. Okay, but I'm gonna call it there because I'm about to make New York so chaotic for May the 4th. So are you guys ready for this? May the 4th is about to get wild up in here. We're gonna have some good times. So New York, make sure to be there. I'm gonna blow some minds. Let's do this. And we're gonna have some fun. And like I said, I'm curious to see how it works on or during New York session, because last week, Wednesday, same 5. Ended London in red using the strategy, and then New York, I went up to $780 and I was in the red. So I went above, I actually think I went above $1,000 during New York, which is awesome. Again, this is demo trading. Sorry, guys. It is just demo, but still, I was wondering, don't forget the butterfly of the day. Oh, Lucky, I've already done butterfly of the day. Sorry. That chart makes me feel like I'm holding a conversation. You guys are funny. Okay. But I love you guys madly. I will then be back for New York. Be there or be square. I'll try to be better. We won't do cis. We'll do, yeah. I love you guys. I'll see you later. Trade safe. Okay, this is